Welcome to Physics Sensei. I'm Raul Barrea, your Physics Sensei. If you're here, you're probably feeling one of two things. You're either nervous about studying physics or already struggling with it. Either way, you're in the right place. Here, we don't just solve problems, we train you to master them. This isn't tutoring, this is a physics dojo. You will learn the best study techniques, you will practice with amazing and powerful tools, and gain the confidence to face any physics challenge like a true physics champion. Now, every champion starts somewhere, and for you, the journey starts right here at this very moment. So go ahead, explore the dojo, try the tools, ask questions. Don't worry about knowing exactly what to do at every tool. I will show you how to navigate all of them in the next videos. You don't need to be perfect at first, you just need to show up and train. When you're ready, watch the next video. I will show you the dojo. I will show you the many tools that you have available, how it works, and how we can help you master physics. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.